Hey folks, I'm Josh Wild, and I'm going to be informing you about the hardware that might come with your flat top, and hopefully help you decide what works best for you. All of our drip trays are made in the USA. They're dishwasher safe and made out of 18-gauge stainless steel. These drip trays are designed to catch the debris and liquid that is left behind on your Steelmade flat top. I would recommend purchasing a second one to make sure that you always have a clean drip tray ready to use. The rectangle drip tray is a 1/2-inch drip tray included with every order of a flat top for a gas or electric stove. The included drip tray has an 8-ounce capacity, but is also available in a 1-inch size, which holds 16 ounces. Please make sure that your stove is compatible with a 1-inch drip tray. The triangle drip tray comes with flat top orders for glass or ceramic stoves. This design prevents the stove from heating up the drip tray during use. It also holds 8 ounces of liquid. The outdoor drip tray is designed for barbecue grills that don't have their own integrated grease traps. The outdoor drip tray runs the full length of the flat top, so it hangs directly below the drain holes. This drip tray has a 26-ounce capacity. We also have a selection of more specific drip trays that are available with custom flat top orders. Our support team would be happy to help you find the perfect one for your stove. With glass or ceramic stove flat top orders, you will receive a set of 4 stainless steel spacers. These spacers are placed directly on the stovetop between the glass and the flat top. This creates a necessary gap to accommodate the drip tray, while also preventing overheating and providing adequate air circulation. These spacers are dishwasher safe and extremely durable. We also offer stainless steel spacers, which are designed to address a wide range of compatibility issues that a small percentage of gas stoves designs may experience. I hope this video answered any questions or concerns about the various drip trays or spacers. We know you'll have fun with your Steelmade products, and don't forget our support team is always available for any other questions. Thanks for watching.